Hey everyone, I want to say great job on the first 2 weeks of getting our digital learning going. Thank you for being patient as we've been navigating any of these technical errors, slow internet, broken links. I really appreciate all the feedback you give me, especially if you tell me that something's not working. Very helpful so that I can make sure that you have access to everything you need. To make it easier for you, since Google Classroom isn't always the friendliest on the eyes, I have this picture that I'll be posting on Class Dojo as well and submitting through Parent Square to help you kind of have a visual aid on what your day should look like. So I would give yourself about 20 minutes for social studies every day, about 25-30 minutes every day for the science and the iReady lessons as they've listed on this page here, and probably about 25 or 30 minutes this week for the math, and maybe about 15 minutes for the Percy Jackson, okay? So when you add it all up, it's going to be about 2 hours a day total. So this is going to be what our map's going to look like for the rest of the year. Our goal is to get 2 hours of extra enrichment getting ready for the 6th grade. Getting ready for the 6th grade for me means building your guys' academic vocabulary, your comprehension skills, especially in nonfiction. That's why the district's recommending that we do some social studies and science for our ELA. And finally, some extra math challenges to build our critical thinking skills getting ready for next year. So let's go ahead and hop on to Google Classroom and see what your week looks like. Okay, make sure you click on classwork. It should say week 3, April 20th to April 24th. Let's look at your days and how they're organized so it's easy for you. So ELA, this is a website you need to go to every day. Miss Upman put a video together if you don't understand the platform. If you're not logged into Clever, you might have to log into this page. So first I would make sure that you're clicked into Clever. You can click it here, but after you've clicked into Clever for the day, it should come up. So I've already shown you what the days look like. You're not going to do more early Spanish Explorers, Think, Review, Let's Write, but you need to do from Cape Bojador to latitude, longitude, and you're going to take the test. So please take your time building your comprehension skills. You want to get at least a 70% on your quiz. If you need to take it again, your test again to improve, let me know and I can reset that for you. You need to pass your iReady reading and math lesson with 70% or higher. Okay, so your BATs, I'm going to show you the paired text. You're going to have 3 of these, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we have bats, we have owls, and we have spiders. So they're going to be about 2 pages of nonfiction text, and then you're going to answer some questions on them. If you don't understand what the question's saying, you can look up what does the word conclude mean, or you can message me at my email address, Class Dojo, or you can come to the morning meeting and ask me I don't understand what this question means. Please submit the form and answer in your best complete sentence there. Okay, next, for math, Miss Correa has made us a little video, and it's a Google Slides. So you're going to answer them, and when you're done answering, you need to make sure on the right-hand corner you share your work with me. So you're going to type in your work, and then you're going to share it, and Miss Correa is going to grade it for you. That's going to be your Monday math. So you're going to have your Percy Jackson every day. Last thing I want to highlight before this video is done, dividing fractions. This is a Google slideshow, and I have it assigned for 3 days. I'm giving you, it should take you about 25 minutes Wednesday, 25 minutes Thursday, 25 minutes Friday to complete this. I'm actually going over the answers every day in the morning meeting. And if you can't make it, feel free to ask me in an email, send me a message if you need help with any of this. But basically, I go over all of the information in this how-to video. I actually give you a lesson right there. And if you still are struggling, here's 2 more. But I will help you if you come to the morning meeting or you send me an email. And that's the week. So please let me know if you need help with anything. You're amazing. The reason why we're doing this, remember, is we are getting ready for 6th grade, and that's why you're here, and I'm really proud of you for hanging in there. Have a good day.